Do you know why your phone battery has a short lifespan? Hey guys, my name is Albandian. I'm a product safety engineer, and this channel is totally separate from my professional work. Smartwatches, laptop, electrical tools, electrical vehicles like Tesla, all these equipment are using a lithium-ion battery as an internal electrical power source. So what is lithium-ion battery? A lithium-ion battery is an advanced technology that uses lithium-ion as a key component of its electrochemistry. There are four major components on a lithium-ion battery: the anode, the cathode, a separator or a barrier, and the electrolyte. The key factor of safety of the lithium-ion battery is the liquid electrolyte. The liquid electrolyte is the most challenging component in terms of safety because it is volatile and therefore more flammable. How does the charge of the lithium-ion battery works? It works in charge cycles. One charge cycle of your battery is complete when you have an amount equals 100% of your battery's capacity. According to Apple, a normal battery is designed to retain up to 80% of its original capacity at 500 complete charge cycles when operating under normal conditions. So one charge cycle is completed when you have discharged 100% of your battery capacity. So what is one charge cycle? Let's say you have a battery, you have an iPhone, and the battery is charged at 100%. You use 25% of your battery before maybe 6 p.m. and then you recharge your battery at 100%. The next day you discharge again your battery at 75%. From yesterday to the day after, you have used 100% of your battery. That is one cycle. Your battery has 365 or 400 charge cycles. You may need to change your battery after 1 year. So because lithium-ion battery has a limited recharge cycles, discharging your phone every day reduces the lifespan of the battery. Discharging your phone at 100% add more stress to your battery. Abnormal use or external off-nominal condition are also things to avoid when using an iPhone, a smartphone. What are some abnormal use or external off-nominal conditions? Overcharge of the battery, over discharge followed by charge, external short circuit, low and high temperature. All these can lead to a thermal runaway of the lithium-ion battery. But what is the thermal runaway? Overcharge of the battery, multiple overcharge and discharge followed by a charge, external short circuit of the battery, internal and external environment. So all those factors can lead to a thermal runaway. Thermal runaway is a phenomenon in which a lithium-ion cells enters an uncontrollable self-heating state. This phenomenon results in high temperatures, violent cell venting, smoke, and fire. What are protection or risk control that manufacturers are adding on their device or should add on the device every time that they are using a lithium-ion battery as an internal power source? Thermal runaway is one of the primary risks related to lithium-ion batteries, and for that, because of that, manufacturer are adding some risk control or protections on the device when using a lithium-ion battery or when manufacturing a lithium-ion battery, a lithium-ion cell battery, lithium-ion battery. Scientists are looking for a new type of battery, a solid-state battery. The main advantage of this solid-state battery is that it's a battery with high density. It is not flammable. Ensure that your battery or your device use a certified battery. The lithium-ion cell battery that you are using or that you will use on your device should be certified. The lifespan of a lithium-ion battery is determined by the recharge cycle. How can we expand the lifespan of our battery? How can we extend the lifespan of a lithium-ion cell battery? How can we expand the lifespan of our phone, iPhone, or Android phone, or any type of device that is using a lithium-ion cell battery? That's the question that we will try to answer in our next video. All batteries are consumable and have a limited lifespan. Lithium-ion battery can be charged fast and it works in charge cycles. iPhone, for example, has between 300 to 500 charge cycles. If you use 100% of the capacity of your battery in 1 day, it means that you have used one charge cycle. This means that your battery may not last for 1 year. Your charging habit, your environmental condition, the off-nominal use of your battery can contribute to age your battery.